Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to GHANAIAN channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make gari fotor, gari jollof. This turned out so delicious, it's yummicious, and I hope you're going to give this recipe a try because it's definitely a must-try recipe. Try this and let me know in the comment section. Let's get started. So I'll use gizzard for this recipe. I added it to my saucepan. I added in ginger powder, garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder, salt, chicken seasoning. Stir this till well combined, and then I let it steam for about 5 to 7 minutes before adding in water. So you want to make sure the spice is well spiced, and then you check if the salt is for your liking before adding in water. So please let it stay on the fire for at least 5 to 7 minutes. Let it steam well before adding in the water. After adding the water, I covered it and let it cook until it's ready. It was very tender, so please make sure mine cooked for about 45 minutes because I cut it into smaller chunks, smaller pieces. So I added ginger, garlic, onion, habanero pepper to my blender, and then I blended it until it was smooth. After the gizzard was cooked, I took it off from the fire, added oil to my saucepan, and then fried those bad boys. Trust me, the gizzard itself alone, mama mia. It was so delicious, guys. Try this recipe. I've done gizzard jollof for my channel it was so delicious, and this on itself alone, mama mia, just try it and let me know. So fry the gizzard until it's fried, until it is ready. Take it off from the oil, and then let's move to the next step. For the next step, I'll add in the blended onion mix that I blended earlier on. I'll add it to the oil, and then I'll let this steam for more or less 5 minutes before adding in the tomato paste and the tomato puree. If you are not using tomato puree, you can buy fresh tomato, cut it into smaller pieces, and then blend it. Add it to your blender, blend it, and add it to the sauce. That's it. Basically, that's it, guys. All you have to do is add in your veggies, and you're good to go. So that for the stew, try your best to check from time to time, and then give it a quick stir until oil has begun to form on top, like so. Once it's halfway cooked, add in the gizzard and the carrots. You know the carrots is a little bit hard, so make sure you add that one at the same time with the gizzard. I added in sankofa stew seasoning, gino curry. I love gino curry, shrimp powder, dried shrimp powder. I'll stir this till well combined, and then let it cook slowly until it's almost ready. Now let's move to the gari. Add in 2 cups depending on the quantity that you want. I added in about 2 cups to my bowl, and then have a cup of water. You want it wet before adding it to the stew, so please don't overwet it. It should be in the form of breadcrumbs consistency. Don't overwet it should be something like this, and then set it aside until it's ready to be used. So back to the stew, I added in the veggies, which is red bell pepper, green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, white onion, and guys, this is it. Stir this till well combined and let it cook for 3 to 5 minutes more, and guys, this is ready. This is so delicious, guys. It's amazing. I hope you're going to give this recipe a try. And then the stew was too much. This goes well with rice, with cooked yam. So please, if it's a lot, keep some aside. My son is here and he's disturbing me. So guys, basically there's it. Stir this together, and then this is ready. Isn't it amazing? Mamma mia. You need to try this recipe. You need to try this recipe, guys. It's so delicious. If you're a gari lover like me, please try this. When you get to this point, you are ready. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. If you like this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up. share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page. And guys, I served this with grilled chicken. Look at it with some fried ripe plantain. It was so delicious. Give it a try and let me know. Bye.